Good afternoon. I am out here in beautiful Florence, Arizona. Prices out here are absurd. I'm meeting a client right now. We're going to be looking at a 5-bedroom, 3-bath for $389K. That's right. Under 400,000, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. I mean, they just opened this one up. There's a bunch of opportunity out here. Payments, you're going to be under $2,500 a month, depending on credit and all that fun stuff. Remember, I'm just the realtor, not the money. But that's kind of what payments are looking like right now. If you have any questions, reach on out. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. I post constantly on this YouTube channel and hope to help you secure a home out here in beautiful Arizona. So this particular model is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath at 1,854 square feet, single story home. So super sweet, no stairs, 1-level living. And again, amenities out here. So this particular community offers a community pool, rock climbing. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Let's check out this beauty. Let's see what you get for super reasonable pricing out here in Arizona. Again, this is the model. So when you purchase your own home, there will be no sales offices, but there's kind of so you can get a gist of what you get out here in Florence for the pricing. So walk in here. So good size room that appears to be a full-size bed, just so you can kind of get a feel for size. Flooring, you got tile throughout, and bedrooms would have carpet. Right, we'll take a walk on through. So you have a full bathroom, granite countertops, tub and shower combo, nice tall ceilings. You have a laundry room, really good sized laundry room, so you have plenty of space in here to get the job done. Another good sized bedroom. This one has a half bath. Open flow on the kitchen and family room and dining. So spacing is wonderful here. It's very open, feels great. You have breathing room, which is nice. Stainless steel appliances. You do have a pantry here. So it's a great walk-in pantry. This living room is beautiful, really spacious too. I mean, they have a good size sectional right here. And as you can see, it fits pretty well. You have that dining area over there, so lots of living space. Again, if you're looking for a super value, I might have found the jackpot out here in Florence, Arizona. Pricing is amazing. It's kind of awesome to know that you can still get a brand new home for under $400,000 with a community that has some great amenities. This is the primary bedroom. So it's super spacious. They do have a king bed in here. So it's a great size room. Again, I love the tall ceilings. This one's just over 1,800 square feet. So they do have the fourth bedroom set up as an office, as you've seen when we pass, and it's a 2-car garage. So this right here has the double sinks. And they do have granite, which is wonderful. You have a walk-in shower. And this is the primary, so this is a great area, lots of privacy, super quiet at the back of the house, which is wonderful. You have a throne. Dun, dun, dun. And the walk-in closet. So walk-in closet is like the size of a small bedroom. It's pretty massive. As you can see, I am in the corner of it. Lots of good space in here. Could add some more shelves, add some more racks. Again, this is the primary suite. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. They do have a 5-bedroom option for under $400K, which is amazing. We're in Florence, Arizona. And again, if you have not hit the like, subscribe, and left me a comment, please do so. If there's a community or a location in Arizona that you would like me to get a video tour of, if you have questions or price point, please send me a message. Let me know what your monthly budget looks like, and I can show you some great options that could get you there. I know I have many first-time homebuyers that are getting out of their leases, looking to get out of their rentals to buy a home, and at this price, I mean $2,000, $2,500 to $3,000. It's basically what you're renting for right now. So why rent when you can buy? That's what I say. You're paying the same amount, but it's yours. We'll take a look at this backyard. Maybe. Just kidding. The builders do keep the doors locked sometimes, so we will take a view there. So it's a good sized lot. Lots of room for growth. So if you have any questions, want to see this house in person, please hit me up in the DM, send me a text, shoot me a call. Always here to help. So this would be the 4th bedroom option right here. And this would be the 2-car garage. Again, Florence, Arizona, under $400,000. Let me get you into a new home. Reach on out.